Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new thing about Arduino.
Sir, I have a question. Can we simulate Arduino circuits online?
Yes, with Tinkercad we can do that.
Tinkercad? What is that?
Tinkercad is an online software that enables beginners to create 3D models and electronic circuits for free. With Tinkercad we can simulate Arduino circuits very easily.
But how?
Let us see how to do that, step by step. To start Tinkercad we have to visit www.tinkercad.com and click on Join Now to create an account, and then we have to sign in. After signing in, the Tinkercad 3D design page will open, where we have to click on the Circuits option to open the circuit design page. Next, we have to click on the Create New Circuit button, which will open the circuit simulation window. Here, this is the workspace where the circuit design is to be done. In the right side, this is the component window from where we can select the necessary components and place them in the workspace. We can also search for other components in the search bar. Now, to write any program, we have to click on the Code button and choose the Text option to open the code editor window, where we can write or modify our code as required. To simulate our circuit, we have to click on the Start Simulation button. Now with all that, let us create a project on LED blinking with Arduino from scratch. First, in the component window, we will search for Arduino, and will place it to the workspace. In the same way, we will select and place a breadboard next to the Arduino. Next, from the component panel, we will select the LED and the resistance and will place them on the breadboard. Now, to change the resistance value, we have to click on the resistance and change the rating to 220 ohms. Then, we will connect the cathode pin of the LED to the Arduino ground pin and the anode pin to Arduino pin number 13 through the resistance. And we'll change the color of the wires to black and red for better understanding. This makes our circuit complete, and now let us write the code for Arduino. The Arduino code consists of two parts. One is the void setup section, where we will initialize the Arduino pin 13 as an output pin. And in the void loop section, we will write our program to blink the LED repeatedly. The instructions, digital write high and digital write low, is used to change the pin status, whereas, the delay 1000 instruction tells the Arduino to delay the next line of execution by 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. Now, let's simulate our project and see how our circuit performs.
Wow, the LED blinks nicely at an interval of 1 second. Can I change the LED blinking interval?
Yes. To do that, we have to stop the simulation and change the delay parameters in the code. Here, we set them as 3000 for 3 seconds delay. If we simulate our project once again, we will see that the LED is blinking, but now, with an interval of 3 seconds.
Oh great! Such a nice way to simulate LED blinking with Arduino in Tinkercad. Can we simulate other Arduino circuits in Tinkercad as well?
Yes. In our next video we will see that. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned with us for more videos.